Chris, you got quite a team.
I know, they're moving fast. I like it.
So
Yes,
awesome.
yes. We're here at Target Field, Feed My Starving Children, Pack the Park, with over 100 volunteers from Chris Lindahl Real Estate. Our mission is to be generous and give back our time, treasures, and talents, and that's exactly what we are doing today, giving back and donating their time. And I love the competitive nature of everyone just trying to pack more meals as fast as we can for children all over the world.
Another.
A huge thank you to everyone at Feed My Starving Children for coordinating and working with everyone at Chris Lindahl Real Estate to make KLRE the biggest volunteer group of the entire Pack the Park event. It's an honor to be a part of it. I'm super excited to be here. I've got to get back and start packing meals just as fast as I can.
Chris Lindahl has been one of the main supporters of this event, and he was one of the first we called when we said, hey, Twins want to do this again, and he was like, I'm on board.